What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna install my test pipe. I have a test pipe. I have my gasket to change the old gasket from the old exhaust, and then the hanger. I'm gonna change the hanger. I think it's a torque solution hangers. So I have my package right here. Right here. Yes, it's from STM Tune. Here's my test pipe.
Perfect.
22 years old. You have no excuse. Okay, I'm gonna help you out. Your name, take your phone. My car is gonna be a little bit louder later after I install this. Okay, let's see. Up. Okay, here's the hangers, Stark Solution hangers. Replace it, and then out. Yeah, 3 gaskets. I have 3 gaskets right here, and this one's 3 gaskets and components. New ones. And here it is. Look at the wheels of the STM test pipe. Evo. I am taking out the test pipe right now. It's a bitch to take out. Later. I'll talk to you later. Take out this bolt right there. Beach to take out. Oh. Damn. Almost out. I try to do it by myself, but I did it. Bitch. Fucking out. Pipe is out. Take it out right there. It's hanging, so I'm gonna change the hanger. I'm gonna change the hanger. Damn. So much what you call this, washers. I'll take that. I'll get this thing out. Hangers. for the lube. Freaking lubes. Finally. Whew. Dark solution. So I'm gonna put this back. That's a wrap, it's done. Look how dirty I am, man. Still kinda crooked. But it's good enough. I'm gonna wipe it down. I am gonna do a first startup for the car with the test pipe and a HKS catback exhaust. High power catback exhaust. It's a little bit smelly and loud, so I don't know. So it's different. I don't know. It's fine.